this.
What?
26.
Pull forward, first two blue cones right there. Come to a stop right here for me. All right, track is clear, cross blue line, straight ahead onto the track. Upshift right paddle. Upshift one more, accelerate. See this first apex, line it up, accelerate through the chicane. All the way left, use that whole track left, brake smooth, wait on this turning cone, turn in, see the apex, all the way to that, straighten your wheel through exit, accelerate. Perfect, keep going, upshift, perfect, all the way down. Smooth on the brake, downshift one time, wait for it, wait for the turn in, turn now, see the apex right here, all the way inside, all the way in, straighten the wheel, now accelerate out, use the track, staying all the way over left, now smooth brake, this time wait on this turning cone, so stay straight, wait for it, now turn in, see the apex, get all the way to it, now accelerate right up the hill, right hand side over the hill, braking smooth, braking, turning in, release, apex right here, patient, straighten that wheel, accelerate all the way left, smooth on the brake, wait for it, wait on this turning cone, turning in now, get that apex, all the way in, patient, now straighten the wheel, now accelerate, back over right, all the way right, keep going, light brake pressure, turn in, accelerate, there you go, keep giving it power, braking smooth, wait for it, turning in, get that apex, all the way inside, straighten your wheel, accelerate. You having fun? Yeah. Upshift, keep going. Brake smooth, down one, wait for this turning cone. Turn in, release, apex right here, all the way inside, all the way in. And you're gonna straighten the wheel out, accelerate. Keep giving it power, stay left. Now brake smooth, stay straight, all the way left. And turn in, apex, release, apex point right here. And accelerate right up the hill. Brake smooth. Turn in, release, apex right here. Good, straighten that wheel, accelerate, all the way left, all the way over, keep going. Smooth on the brake, wait for it. Turn in, get that apex right here, all the way inside, all the way in. Straighten that wheel, accelerate, back over to the right. All the way right, keep going. Light brake pressure, turn in, use track left, accelerate. All the way over left, light brake, and turn in, apex right here. Straighten the wheel, accelerate out. Keep going. Upshift, all the way down. Smooth on the brake, downshift one, stay straight, wait for it. Turning in, release, apex right here, all the way inside, all the way in. And straighten the wheel, accelerate out. All the way left, keep going. Smooth brake, stay straight, wait for it. And now turn in, apex, release, all the way inside here. Good, accelerate right up the hill. Smooth on the brake, wait for it. You want to be a little more to the right next time. Straightening that wheel out, accelerate all the way left. All the way over, keep going. Smooth brake, wait on this turning cone, wait for it. Turn in, release, apex right here. All the way inside. Straighten that wheel, accelerate, back over to the right. All the way right, keep going. Light brake, stay straight, turn in, use track left, accelerate. All the way left. Light brake pressure, wait on this turning cone, turn in, see that apex? Now straighten your wheel, now accelerate. Upshift one, keep going. Braking smooth, downshift, wait on this turning cone, wait for it, turning in, release, apex right here. All the way inside, all the way in, straighten that wheel, accelerate. There you go, now accelerate, all the way left. Keep going. Smooth on the brake, staying straight, wait for this turning cone. Turn in, apex right here, release, all the way inside, and accelerate right up the hill. Smooth brake, wait for it, turning in, see that apex? There you go. Straightening that wheel, accelerate, all the way left, keep going, I'll say when to brake, keep going, brake smooth, wait for it, turning in, now release, apex right here, all the way inside, straightening that wheel, accelerate, back over right. Light on the brake, turn in, use track left, accelerate through. All the way over. Light brake, turn in, see that apex, all the way inside, straighten the wheel, accelerate, straighten it out more. Upshift one. Smooth on the brake, downshift one time, wait for it, turn in, release, apex, get all the way to it, all the way inside, straighten that wheel, accelerate out. Stay left, keep going. Smooth brake, staying straight, wait for it, wait on this turning cone. Turn in, release, apex right here, and accelerate right up the hill. Smooth brake, wait for it, braking, turning in, release all the way inside. Now straighten the wheel out, accelerate all the way left. Brake, we're gonna exit track now. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Hey, good job, man. What'd you think of the car?
Oh my God, this thing's amazing.
Pretty wild, isn't it?
Yeah, man, just that noise, that flat six noise.
Sweet, go and turn in here. Go in and come to a stop. And pull forward, first 2 blue cones. Right here's good. We're gonna have one more car go by, so stay right here.
Okay.
All right, track is clear. Cross the line, straight ahead. Upshift right paddle. Upshift one more. All the way over left, now accelerate through. Use track left, keep accelerating. Light on the brake, wait on this turning cone. Turn in, see the apex, all the way to it. A little bit of throttle, straighten the wheel, accelerate. Full power, all the way down. Upshift one. Now smooth brake, down 1, stay straight, wait on it, ease the pressure off, turn in, now release the brake. Just turn to that apex. Straighten the wheel, accelerate. That was a lot better line, good job through there. Stay left, keep going. Smooth brake, staying straight. Wait on this turning cone. Turning in now, release, apex right here, now smooth throttle right up the hill. Right hand side, keep accelerating. Light brake, wait for it. Turning in, release, apex zone right here. Straightening that wheel out, accelerate all the way left. Now smooth brake, now stay straight, perfect. Turn in, release, just turn all the way inside. Good, now accelerate, straighten the wheel. How was that? All the way right, keep going. Brake smooth. Turn in, use track left, accelerate. Good job, stay left. Very light brake, turning in, get that apex right here, all the way inside, straighten the wheel, accelerate. You're doing really good now. Upshift, keep going. Now smooth brake, very smooth. Downshift, stay straight, wait for it. Turn in, release, get all the way to that apex, all the way inside here. Straighten that wheel, accelerate. Same thing, just a little less brake pressure there. Stay left. And smooth brake, wait for it. Turn in, now release, get that apex, all the way inside, accelerate right up the hill. All the way right. Smooth brake, good job on that line. Turn in, release, apex zone right here. Now straightening that wheel out a little bit, accelerate, all the way left, keep pushing. Now smooth brake, stay straight, wait for it. Turn in, release, all the way inside, all the way in, a little more, straightening that wheel out, accelerate. Back over right, keep going. Light brake pressure, very light, turn in, accelerate. All the way left, light brake, turn in, get that apex, all the way inside. Straighten the wheel, accelerate, straighten it out more. Upshift one, keep going. Smooth brake, downshift one time, ease the pressure up a little bit, turn in, release, apex right here. Good, now straightening the wheel, accelerate. Nicely done, stay left, keep going, brake smooth, good, wait for it. Now turn in, now release, apex right here. Smooth throttle right up the hill. Light on the brake, wait for it. Turning in, get that apex, patient. Straightening that wheel, now accelerate all the way left. Keep going. Now smooth brake, stay straight. Turn in, now release, get that apex, all the way inside, all the way in. Straightening that wheel, accelerate. Back over right, keep coming over right. Light on that brake, very light. Turn in, use track left, accelerate. Smooth brake, wait for it. Turning in, see that apex, get all the way to it. Now straightening your wheel to the exit, accelerate, straighten it out. Full power. Upshift, you having fun? Smooth brake, down one. Wait for it. Turn in, release, get that apex, all the way inside here, all the way in. And straightening that wheel, accelerate out. Full power, keep going, stay left. Smooth on the brake, staying straight. Wait for it. Turn in, now release, get that apex, a little bit of throttle, a little more, and accelerate right up the hill. Light on the brake, turn in, release, get that apex right here. Straighten the wheel out, accelerate, keep going. Smooth on the brake. Alright, I'll give you an extra lap, he's going to hold us up here. Keep accelerating here, try to close the gap a little more. Straighten the wheel, accelerate out. Passing on the inside, accelerate here. And smooth on the brake. turning in now. Accelerate through. All the way over left. Light brake, wait for it. Turning in. Get that apex. And straightening your wheel to the exit. Straighten it out, full power. Make sure you're unwinding out that corner. Upshift. Smooth on the brake. Down one. Wait on this turning cone. Ease the pressure off. A little less. Turn in, release. A little bit of throttle here. All the way inside. Now straighten your wheel. Now accelerate. Keep going. Staying left. Smooth brake. Staying straight. Wait for it. And now turn in. Now release the brake. Just turn. Get that apex. Accelerate right up the hill. Light on the brake. We'll make sure you're all the way right next time. Yeah. Turning in. You're okay. Now accelerate all the way left. Keep going. Now smooth brake. Staying straight. Wait for it. Now turn in. Now release. Get that apex all the way in. Patient. Straightening that wheel. Accelerate back over right. Light on the brake. Turn in. Use track left. Accelerate through. All the way over left. Light brake. Wait on this turning cone. Turn in. Get that apex. All the way in. Straightening that wheel. Accelerate. Keep going. All the way down. Smooth on the brake. Down one. A little less pressure. And now turn in. Now release. Apex right here. All the way inside. And straightening that wheel. Accelerate out. Stay left, keep going. Smooth on the brake, wait for it. Turn in, release, apex right here, all the way in. And accelerate right up the hill. Smooth brake. There you go, keep braking, turning in, releasing, get that apex. Now smooth throttle all the way to the left. Brake smooth, we're gonna exit track. Do you have fun?
Yeah.
Hey, I gave you an extra on that last stint just because we got held up by the GT2.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good job, man.
Oh, man.
Incredibly fast, right?
Unbelievable.
Go and turn in here. Yeah, good job, man. Both the things I told you to do, you're doing them every lap, so it was really good. Nicely done. Oof. Car handles great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's insane how much cornering speed you can carry with this thing.